Hey guys, so I wanted to give a quick room tour of my room at the Atlantic Hotel and Spa. So this is the entrance, as you can see, and it's a double door entrance. So as you enter, this is the first thing that you see, the entryway, which is super cute. And this is the closet. So I'll just shut it for you so you get an idea. It's a double door closet. Right to your right as you enter, and this is a suite, studio suite. So enter, open the door. This is the closet, and that's just my belongings. And then to the right you have like a kitchenette area. So you have a microwave, water, coffee, gorgeous cabinets, a little refrigerator that's right here. This is the bathroom. So it's a double door entry. See the two doors right over here. That's the ocean in the background. It is like so close, and oh my gosh, I love the ocean. This is the bathtub, which, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to soak in here. Bathtub. And then there's also a separate shower. It's me. Hey guys. Double sink. This is definitely, I love the decor in this hotel. Super cute, super chic. This is the bathroom. There's a separate bathroom. The bathroom has its own door. There we go. Alright, so this is just a full view of the bathroom. And the bathroom is right off from the kitchen.